Hi, it's Margaret Ann Lembo again, and I'm here with some gemstones and, of course, my beautiful books. And I wanted to show you some crystals for stone identification. So here we have a green aventurine, and this is a really unusual piece, but you can see when it's in natural form on the side here, and then you can see how it's polished on the top when it shows up so bright and green. But in natural formation, this bottom half of it right down here, that's what it would look like in nature before it's been polished. Then next to this is what's called a fishtail selenite. I like to call this an angel wing selenite. And it's very unusual formation. It does occur, and I haven't seen any in a while, but I wanted to show you this piece of selenite. Selenite is very good for connecting with the divine, connecting with the angelic realm, connecting with messages from the other side. And to go back to this green aventurine is good for the ability to open your heart to love, to give and receive love. It's a good luck stone. It's been known as like the shamrock of the gemstone kingdom. And then right over here, I have a piece of rose quartz. And rose quartz, of course, is a fabulous stone for heart chakra opening, for compassion, kindness, love, caring, tolerance, and acceptance. And then this piece right here is an amazing big tabula quartz crystal. So let's see. If we pick this up, whoa, it's heavy. It's a big piece. Here's a big piece of tabula quartz, and it is a jumbo one. And basically, tabula quartz is a gemstone that is a six-sided stone, but two of the sides are much larger, wider than the other four, creating a tablet-like formation. And tabula quartz are good for communication with the divine, of course, but really good for communication with each other, telepathy, the ability to send mind-to-mind and heart-to-heart communication. So I also have quite a few other stones here in this collection, and what I'd like to do from time to time with you is I'm going to come back and share in short videos what some of these gemstones are good for so that you get to learn about them. I want to thank you for watching today's little segment of Learn a Little Bit More About Gemstones with Margaret Ann Lembo. And I hope that you'll check out my website, margaretannlembo.com. Thanks for watching.